Hi guys, you are welcome back to my channel. In this video you'll be learning how to cut and sew this beautiful short bubu style. It is very easy to make, but this style, it consumes a lot of fabric. I used 8.5 yards to make this style. Yeah, you heard me right, 8.5 yards. From the 8.5 yards of organdi fabric, I cut out 2.5 yards and I folded it into 4. That's what you are seeing on the table, 2.5 yards folded into 4. I measured neck width 3.5 inches, neck depth for the back 1 inch, neck depth for the front 3.5 inches. Then I curved the neckline. Next, I measured the gown length 40 inches. I rule a straight line. After that, I measured from my center back to the sleeve length. I measured 20 inches. I impute these 20 inches to the hemline. Then I rule a straight line and cut it out. I first of all cut the back neckline. This style does not have joining at the shoulder. I decided not to add shoulder slant because of the texture of the fabric. So for my sleeve opening, I measured 13 inches. I'm going to notch it. After that, I'm going to remove my pins. I'm going to open it up to cut the front neck depth. I measured 5 inches downward from the back neckline for the back center slit. Then I slit the folded edge of the back neckline to the 5 inches mark. So this is how the neckline looks after cutting. On the right side of the fabric, I measured my shoulder line. From the shoulder, I measured down to 16 inches towards the front bodice. I measured 16 inches again towards the back bodice. This 16 inches mark is where I want the design to start from. At this point, you can decide to measure any length of your choice where you want the design to start from. Then I'm going to rule a straight line on the 16 inches mark. Please note I'm marking on the right side of the bodice. After ruling a straight line, I'm going to move to the hemline. I'm going to first of all fold the hem twice. Then from there, I'm going to measure from the hemline to the 16 inches mark in order to know the length of the strips to cut. After using 2.5 yards for the bodice, I have 6 yards left. So what I did, I first of all cut 3 yards from the 6 yards. I splitted it into 2. So on the table, I have 3 yards. So I marked the wrong side of the fabric. I want to see if 3 yards will be enough for the design, but I later realized that if I want to use 3 yards, that means it won't be full, and I don't want it to be scanty. The style, when it is full, that's when the beauty comes out. So I first of all folded the 3 yards into 2. Just watch how we folded it. We fold it again, making it into 4, and fold it again, making it into 6. I rule a straight line at the top and also at the bottom in order to have a straight line. The length of the fabric is exactly the length of the strip that I want. After ruling a straight line, I cut it out in order to have equal length. Next, I divided the fabric into 2. I cut at the middle, then I split open the folded edge. Instead of cutting the long strips one after the other, this method is very fast. It helps to cut multiple long strips together. So after cutting, in total I have 16 long strips. Let's count together: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have 16 long strips. Next, you are going to hem the edges. Fold ½ inch twice and sew on all the edges. You are going to repeat the same thing on all the strips. After that, you will fold and give it a good press. On the bodies, I measure the width of the bodies. Then I measure the midpoints of the bodies. I mark it. I measure what I have on one side and also on the other side. After much calculations on how to space the strips, so I decided to give it 2½ inches interval. First, I measured 3 inches from the side. After the 3 inches, I started marking 2½ inches interval. After the first 3 inches, then I started marking 2½, 2½, 2½ till the other edge. On the other edge, I make sure that I left 3 inches away from the edge. I hope you guys understand. Before marking the 2½ inches, I first of all mark 3 inches. On the other edge as well, I make sure that I have 3 inches before the edge of the fabric. After marking, I counted the line. It was 16 in number, meaning the first 16 long strips that I cut is only for the front bodies. Then the remaining 3 yards that I have left, I'm going to cut another 16 for the back bodies. In total, I have 32 long strips. You are going to extend the same measurement on the hemline. So I first of all mark 3 inches. I marked 3 inches on the other edge as well. Then I started marking 2½ inches interval because I'm going to rule a straight line, so I need the line to be on a straight line. So that's why I'm marking the same thing on the hemline. So after marking, I'm going to extend the lines to the hemline. You are going to repeat this same process on the other side of the bodies. This is the front bodies. We are going to repeat it on the back bodies as well, this same process. This line is going to guide us when we are placing the long strips on it to sew. It will help us to sew the strips on a straight line. So after marking, you will take to your sewing machine. You are going to hem the down part before placing the strips on it. Please note, after sewing the edges of the strip, make sure that you iron the midpoint. That crease line on the midpoint is what you are going to place on the line and stitch down at the middle. We are going to place the strip this way. Make sure the crease line align with the line, then you will top stitch on the bodies. You are going to repeat this process on both the front bodies and the back bodies. After that, you are going to hem the sleeve and sew the sides. Give it a good press, and that's about it for today's tutorial. So for the design, I used 3 yards on the front bodies, 3 yards on the back bodies, making it 6 yards. I have 16 long strips on the front bodies, 16 at the back bodies. In total, I have 32 long strips for the design. Then for the bodies, I use 2.5 yards for the bodies. So in total, that's 8.5 yards. This is the final look, guys. Please note, if you want to sew the longer version of this style, you are going to definitely use more than 8.5 yards. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you've not done so. I upload weekly tutorial on my channel. Also remember to click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Until I come your way next, please stay safe and remain blessed. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Bye for now.